Hey, it's time to take a 2-minute break and give your eyes a little love. If you spend hours staring at screens like I do, you know strained, tired, even a bit blurry by the end of the day. But here's some good news. There's a simple exercise you can do anywhere, and it only takes 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ready? Let's get into it. First, sit comfortably and relax your shoulders. Close your eyes gently. Don't squeeze them shut. Just let them rest. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a second, and then exhale slowly. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in and out. With your eyes still closed, imagine you're looking at a distant mountain. Picture all the little details, the trees, the sky, the peaks. This helps relax the tiny muscles around your eyes that get overworked from focusing up close. Now, gently open your eyes and pick a spot about 20 feet away. If you're indoors, look toward a window or a picture on the wall. Focus on that spot for 20 seconds. Let your eyes relax there, no squinting. Finally, rub your palms together to warm them up. Thanks for taking a moment for yourself and your eyes. See you next time.